Hello boys and girls. We are working on lesson 112 in our Saxon math book, and we are going to be drawing a 2.5-inch line segment. So we start at 0, go 2 inches, and then halfway between the 2 and the 3. Draw a line segment 1/2 inch longer. So 2.5 plus another half would make a whole, so it'd be 3-inch line segment. John and his sister planted bean seeds. When John's plant was 30 centimeters tall, his sister's plant was 22 centimeters tall. So we have 30 centimeters and 22 centimeters. How much taller was John's plant? So we're looking for the difference, which means we're going to be subtracting. So we have our larger number, subtracting our smaller number, and we just need to fill this in. 30, 22. 22 plus what equals 30? 8. So 30 minus 22 would be 8. And when we answer it, it would be 8 centimeters. The cost of the eraser is 73 cents. How much change will you receive from $1? I'm just going to go ahead and line it up and work from here. I'm going to be subtracting. Can I take 3 from 0? No. But I can take from 10. It would make it a 9. And this a 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 7 equals 2. 2. So it'd be 27 cents. I can write it like this, or I can write it like this. Now, fill in the numbers on the number line. Where is each arrow pointing? So first, I need to fill in my number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That makes sense. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going backwards. So it'd be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So A is -4, B -2, C is 2, D is 3. Manuel collects old coins. How many years old is each of these coins? So if I look right here, this is 1963. So over here in my corner, I'm going to go from 2021 to 1963 by subtracting. I cannot take 3 from 1. So I regroup. 11 minus 3 is 8. 1 minus 6 cannot be done. So I'm going to take from the 20, make it a 19, and carry it over. 11 minus 6 would be 5. So this coin is 58 years old. This coin was made in 1972. 2021. Once again, you cannot take 2 away from 1, so you need to regroup. 11 minus 2 would be 9. You cannot take 7 from 1, so I'm going to borrow from my hundreds place and give a 10 over. 11 minus 7 is 4. 19 minus 19 would be 0, so it's 49 years old. 8 times 5 tens. 8 times 5 would be 40 tens. So I just put my 0 there. 6 times 9 would be 54 hundreds, or 5,400. 4 times 7 would be 28 thousands. Find the amount of money in each pocket. Which pocket has the least amount? So 2 quarters, 25.50, 3 dimes, which would be 30 cents. So 5 plus 3 is 80, and 5 pennies would be 85 cents. 3 quarters would be 75, because 25, 50, 75. 2 nickels, 75, 80, 85. 10 pennies would make it 95 cents. 6 dimes is worth 60 cents, plus 15 cents, 5, 10, 15. So 60 plus 15 is 75, plus 15 more would make it 75, 80, 90. So, which pocket has the least amount of money? A. Fill in the missing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 9. Square root of 100. So what times itself equals 100? 10 times 10 equals 100. What times itself equals 64? 8 times 8 equals 64. So that would be 18. 2 times what equals 18? 2 times 9. And that concludes today's lesson.